Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video link, we have come up with a very interesting question from the quantitative aptitude section. So the question that we'll be dealing with is of profit and loss type. So very common topic. So really prevalent in many entrance examination, be it your PG entrance examination like your GMAT or your technical based examination like GRE, or even Indian MBA based examination like your CAT, SNAP and ZAT, IFT. So this sort of questions are really common. So we have a very interesting question for you, questions pertaining to the concepts of profit and loss in general. So let's take a look at the question and subsequently try and solve the same. On selling a pen at 10% loss and a book at 15% gain, Karim gains rupees 9. If he sells the pen at 10% gain and book at 10% gain, he gains rupees 20. Okay. What is the cost price of the book in rupees? So we know profit or gain profit can be written as selling price minus cost price. Okay, so we'll use this particular concept. So let me say one thing. Let cost per CP of book equal to X and let CP of pen equal to Y. Okay, so therefore it's given selling a pen at 10% loss, that is selling price would be 0.9y, and book at 15% gain, that is 1.15x. These are the selling prices, minus y minus x. He gains rupees 9. Okay, so there would be 0.15x minus 0.1 y equal to 9. Say this be equation 1. Second up, he sells pen at 10% gain. So 1.1y and book at 10% gain plus 1.1x minus x minus y. He gains 20. Okay, so that would be 0.1x plus 0.1y equal to 20. Okay, now suppose we have here, suppose we do 2 minus 1, then we will have 0.1x minus 0.15x equal to, sorry guys, these are opposite in sign, so we cannot subtract. Let me just add these things up. So x would be 0.1 and also 0.25x. Y terms get cancelled, equal to 29. So x would be 29 by 0.25. So that would actually come out to be 9 into 4, that is 116. Okay, so therefore cost price of book, CP of book equal to rupees 116. This will be our answer. So I hope this question is clear to you. Fairly easy and straightforward kind of a question. I don't think you should face much of an issue in this regards as well. Now, having said that, if you have any trouble, just go through the same. That should give you clear insights on the approach and everything involved towards solving the same. Okay. Now, if you are looking for detailed solution of similar sort of questions further down the line pertaining to all the sections, be it your logical reasoning, verbal or the quant section, feel free to connect with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out in all this regards. Okay. So if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So with all that said and done, I'll be signing out. So thank you so much.